Welcome to Waybase at Computex. It's the VisaView D10 as connective dashcam. Having the 4G LTE, it can provide the services like a video streaming, audio communication, and location-based services. All of them operate with the VisaView Cloud. Also for the integration sensors in operation with a cold chain, we have a tire pressure monitoring sensor, door sensor, for status open and close, and also the air conditioning compressor sensors. All of the data can be collected, transmitted back to the cloud. With all of the solution in place, the most critical thing is the proof of delivery, the last mile. The body-worn camera, you can monitoring all of the status back to back. Thank you.